Describe a public facility, for example a museum or a library, that been renovated and improved recently. What the facility is? When it was renovated and improved? What has been renovated and improved? And explain how you feel about it? Answer. Today, I'd like to talk about a public facility that has been recently renovated and improved. The IELTS Central Library. This library has been a key resource for students, researchers, and book lovers for years. But over time, it became outdated and needed significant upgrades. Thankfully, a major renovation project was undertaken in 2023, and the results have been truly impressive. The renovation focused on modernizing the infrastructure, making the library more comfortable and user-friendly. The entire building was upgraded with better lighting, air conditioning, and ergonomic seating arrangements, creating a much more inviting study environment. One of the most exciting improvements is the introduction of a digital library system, where visitors can now access ebooks, research papers, and online journals. Additionally, high-speed Wi-Fi, interactive screens, and smart study rooms have been installed, allowing users to engage with information in a more advanced way. Another key enhancement is the expansion of the book collection, with thousands of new titles added, including international publications and academic resources. To make the library experience even more enjoyable, a small cafe and relaxation area have been introduced, encouraging people to spend more time in a peaceful learning environment. Personally, I believe this renovation was a fantastic initiative. The upgraded facilities make studying far more comfortable and efficient, and the digital transformation means that people can now access knowledge anytime, anywhere. It's inspiring to see public spaces being modernized to meet the needs of today's generation. In conclusion, the IELTS Central Library has been transformed into a state-of-the-art facility that promotes education, research, and intellectual growth. I hope to see similar improvements in public libraries across the country.